Okay. So we were talking about transpiration. Okay. So what is transpiration? Was just saying about transpiration. It is a removal. Okay. I'll add all of you first of all. Okay. Okay. All of them have been admitted now. Okay. Now what is transpiration? Transpiration is a removal of excessive excessive water in the form of water vapor through the through the aerial parts of the plant through the aerial parts of the plant. Okay, so through the aerial parts of the plant. What is the aerial part I'm talking about? In this case, this is leaves. Okay, so transpiration is a removal of excessive water in the form of water vapor through the aerial parts of the plant. Okay, now coming back, why the transpiration is necessary? Because here, first of all, this transpiration, transpiration creates a pressure or a water water pull pressure from down to up from down to up. Okay, and this is called as ascent. Ascent means going upward. Ascent of sap. Okay, so this is the use of the transpiration, which creates a water pull pressure. Now, again, you see in the diagram, if the water is lost from here, it will create a pressure so that the water will go from down to up. Okay, and along with this water, even minerals also will travel. Okay, so what does it transport? It transport minerals also. It transport minerals also. Okay,
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया
now what happened?
भैया वो ऊपर से नीचे खींचता है कि
नीचे
ऊपर
से
जाने के लिए खींचता है
ऊपर जाने के लिए नीचे से प्रेशर डालते हैं। देखो, इफ इट गोes up, what will happen? There'll be, if it goes up, there'll be a vacuum created over here. Okay, so that vacuum will lead the other water molecule to come up. Is that okay? So that is suction pressure, exactly like a vacuum pressure, no, suction pressure. Getting me or not? Okay. Now coming back to this, we know that who supplies water to the plant? Can you say which tissue supplies water to the plant? Can you say that in the chat box? We have learned in 10th, 9th standard. Ah, very good. Madhumita oda sound get it. So xylem, right? Xylem, correct. So xylem does this. Now see here, there is something called as transpiration and there is something called as translocation. Okay. So when I'm talking about translocation, I mean that translocation means transfer of location. That is the food material which is made in the leaves will be transported all over the plant. That is called as translocation. Wherever if I talk about water movement, that is called as transpiration. So can you understand the difference between xylem and phloem? Keep it fast. Write in the chat box. Did you understand transpiration and translocation?
हाँ
Write,
भैया हाँ
write
भैया
the chat
ट्रांसपिरेशन
box.
मतलब पानी और ट्रांसलोकेशन मतलब खाना
Write in the chat box. Did you understand transpiration versus translocation? Because that is the end of the chapter. Okay. So translocation is a movement of food as well as, because here if anything is moving along with that, you will also move. Now, if train is moving from one part to another, we will not say train is moving. We'll say okay, this guy has traveled from Avadi to Hindu College or Avadi to whatever place is that. Okay, so along with that, you will also go. So the water is going along with that, it carries minerals. The food is going along with that, it will carry amino acid. So you can see this. So xylem only travels upward, whereas phloem whereas phloem travels both upward as well as downward. Let us see. Okay, all of you understand this. Okay, very good. Now coming back to the difference, because this is the ask in examination. Okay, what is the difference between transpiration and translocation? If you want to write, you can write your answer in chat box. Transpiration is a movement of water vapor, water vapor, okay, through the aerial or through the stomata. That is only the exchange of gas and exchange of water happens. Then translocation is a movement of food from leaves to the other part, because only leaf does not need food now, even branch needs, even stem needs, even root also needs the food, okay, to the other parts of the plant, to the other parts, okay. And what happened? uh, okay, next is next important is in transpiration we see water transport, okay, very very important. In transpiration we see water is getting transported, we see water is getting transported, whereas here we see food plus amino acid, okay, that is glucose, sucrose, all those, food plus amino acid, you can write it over here, that is sucrose, okay. So here what is being transported? Food and amino acid, okay. Now next, xylem always will help in transpiration, okay, whereas phloem will help in translocation. Second, it is taking, the xylem will always take against the gravity, right? It is taking the thing from down to up against the gravity, whereas phloem with the gravity as well as in against the gravity. So we can write in any direction. It can give in any direction. Okay, then mostly we see this water is converted to water vapor in the daytime. Okay, in the daytime, whereas translocation can happen mostly in the night time, because in the daytime the food will be prepared, okay, in the night time it will be transported, getting me not? So I believe you can take the screenshot of this if you want. Transport, transpiration and translocation, okay. So this is the important question, okay. This chapter has so many things. So we see that phloem, the companion cell, and the sieve tubes carry this food and amino acid, whereas xylem carry against the gravity, that is from down to up. So with this we end our chapter, okay. We'll meet with the question answer session. I believe you have understood, okay. Thank you. This is the end of the chapter. This is the end of the chapter. Thanks all for your cooperation.
भैया क्या आप एक बार सब कुछ दिखा सकते हैं? हम स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेंगे।
छोटू ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, आप को मिल जाएगा। आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए यूट्यूब में, आपको मिल जाएगा, ओके।
ओके सर।
You will get the notification if you want. This is translocation. This was the diagram of transpiration, translocation, okay. This is the diagram of transpiration again. This is the difference between arteries and veins, okay. Then we saw the double circulation, okay. Then we saw the human heart. Now see here guys, you were asked yesterday to write the feedback, okay. All of you should write the feedback now, okay. Channel का नाम क्या, देखो अभी channel का नाम पूछ रहे हो आप लोग. This is only the problem. If someone is taking efforts for you, you can't appreciate also, and you can't support that. The channel name is Nagendra Singh channel, okay. Nagendra Singh channel. in YouTube. If you subscribe that, you will be getting the notification. Okay. So this channel you subscribe, you'll get the notification when you'll get the video. Okay. The spelling should be correct, NHGENDER. So all of you can give your feedback. Okay. How the session was. Okay. In the give your feedback on WhatsApp. How was the session? What was the problem? Whether it was uh, conclusive enough, whether it was informative enough. All those you should write. If somebody is taking this much of efforts, instead of showing you the PPT, you should also give some appreciation. Otherwise, nobody will do this much for you. Yeah. What is the question now? Okay. Thank you, guys. We have ended our life process chapter. Thank you so much. You'll get all the notes today. Okay. I will end the session. Okay. Kamal, thanks for your appreciation. Thank you, guys. It is. It took some 5 to 6 days for us to finish this uh, life process chapter. I don't know how your teacher has taken this. Okay, and you know the difference between them and us. So try to read. You'll be given the notes. Okay. If you have doubt, we'll be coming back after our math classes started. We'll be coming back to the question answer session. Okay. Okay. Thank you
Okay,
so
sir.
much. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.